Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharvari Phatak and today's video is all about the books that have changed my life. Now all of you who know me from a young age do know that I am an avid reader and I read lots of books. You can always find me in some or the other place reading a new book, and that's why I decided to share 3 shortlisted books from my collection that are very good and have inspired my life in many ways and have helped me become the person I am today, all because of them. So without wasting any time, let's get to the books. Now I'll be sharing, I have the 3 books here with me, so I'll be showing you and sharing what I liked from that book and what inspired me, what was the main message from it. I will not be giving the synopsis for those who have not read the book because the synopsis is available anywhere on the internet nowadays, so you can go and read it there instead. Let's come to the first book. The first book is this one, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Now this book, I know all of you might be knowing it or at least have heard of it, but it is considered the Bible of self-help books. Why? Because it gives you lessons in personal change, and that's what it also says on the cover. The examples and scenarios given in the book are so realistic that a person can relate to it very instantly, which is why it has a greater audience connect, I believe. Now, the message I got from that book was that you always have various scenarios in your life, and it's how you deal with them that makes you as a person. Coming to the next book, this one is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. For all of those who know the story of The Alchemist, it is one of the great books present in, I think, literature, because it tells us that you should always follow what your heart says and one should always go after his or her dreams. There is always a path being carved for you, and it is just that you have to walk on it with blind faith and everything will turn out good in the end, is what the message of The Alchemist is, what I got. The last book is a bit different, and I think some of you may have read it, may have not read it, but I want to share it with all of you. This book is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Now, all of you might be knowing the history behind this book. I'll just share a small piece of history. Anne Frank was a girl who was living in Amsterdam, and she had to go into hiding because she was Jewish, and at that time Hitler and his rule was present. That's why the whole family had to go into hiding for about 2 to 3 years. And that's when Anne started making these diary entries of her life in hiding and the circumstances around World War II. Why I like this book is because the time I read it, I was the same age as Anne, and when she wrote the book, she was also 13 years old, just like me. This book was written in 1942, and I think it is the ultimate example of what are the struggles of a young girl growing up and making it even harder because she was in hiding. She describes her everyday life, and there are few subtle messages that you get from the book. One I particularly like is, even though everything might be going bad at a particular time, just remember whatever you are grateful for and it makes all of it worth it. These were the 3 books that I have shortlisted. I want to hear what all of you have and what are your top 3 books. So make sure to comment in the comment section down below. Also, do follow my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. I have the link in the description, as well as you can find the link on my YouTube page too. So make sure to follow it. For more such similar content, do like, share and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also hit that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And when do I do that? Well, it is Friday. Stay tuned for every Friday, and I promise I'll keep on generating much amazing content. So by this I end this video. I hope all of you are taking care, staying safe, and all of you, I hope you have a great and amazing week ahead. See you the next Friday. Bye till then.